Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Baby, I like.
Let's start. First, open Capcut. Go to New Project and add 8 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now trim all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write baby. Choose any font you like. Now place the text. Apply this text layer till the end of first photo. Now, first listen to the song and write second text at that position. Trim text layer till the end of first photo. Now again listen to song and write third and fourth text. Now apply animation. Tap on photo, go to animation then in. Now apply shake 1 effect. Increase duration to 0.7 second. Now apply same effect and duration to all photos. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.